Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to integrate Hotjar. Firstly, open your website builder and go to the integration settings. Locate the Hotjar field and enter your Hotjar site ID. Save the changes and update your site. Now sign into your Hotjar account, then go to Sites and Organizations. Your site ID will be displayed next to your domain name. In your Hotjar account, go to Sites and Organizations. Then click View Tracking Code. That's to verify the installation or the integration of Hotjar on your website. Just enter your website's URL, then click Verify My Installation. Your Hotjar integration with your website should now be complete. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.